Hello everyone, in this week's tutorial I'd like to go over how to make blocks in Scratch. By default there are none, but if you click Make a Block, you will be prompted A. with the block name, B. add an input as whether it's a number or text string, whether it's a boolean, or whether it's a label that doesn't take up data, and then C. run without screen refresh, which will attempt to execute all the code before the next screen refresh cycle. Whereas normal code would not be able to do that. Running code with the Run Without Screen Refresh option checked is very useful for things like pre-rendering scenes and scrolling games, as all the objects will render without lagging due to screen refreshing. If you left the box unchecked, this lag would be most notable with things like repeat loops, as the screen would refresh between each repeat. Join me in next week's tutorial, where I will go over how operators work to manipulate variables.
Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.